Dear learners, welcome to NIOS video series. The subject is Home Science, lesson number 17. The title, as you can see from the picture, is Consumer Education. Consumer is a person who goes and buys things for himself or herself and also the services. We will discuss more about it. Who is a consumer? Definition of a consumer. Consumers are people who go and buy goods and services to satisfy their needs, be it food or anything. We go to the market and we buy things. So the person who's going to the market is a consumer. We are having a communication there. We are also buying services like flight tickets. We book flight tickets, that's a service we buy. Or things we buy online is a service. Going for getting education every day. Education is a service. It is a service when you're getting to learn something. So all these persons are called consumers. They are of different age, different genders and different background. Even children are consumers because they are going for education. So anybody can be a consumer. Remember that. Consumer education is very important. It's not education per like going to school. Education is the knowledge here, knowing that what is right, what is wrong, where to buy, when to buy, and being logical about your purchasing. So that is called consumer education and being aware. What is consumer education? What do we learn about it? First thing is, as you can see, what to buy. Buy means what we are going to purchase. So we have to check what is our priority, what is needed. Do we have to buy clothes? Do we have to buy food, etc.? We decide on that. We need a bike, we need a mobile, anything. We have to first decide what we need and then go on and see a cost and then we buy it. We go to different shops and then we decide, what we have to buy from where, etc., what color we have to buy, what fabric we have to buy, is it related to the weather we are living in, etc., the design, etc. Adding to that, brand. For example, we go for brands that we like, be it shoes, watches, shades, coats, etc. We decide on what brand we want to buy in, what quality we want to buy in. So that is what we do. So some people go for branded clothes, some people don't want to go for branded clothes. It's up to you to decide. Decided what to buy, how much to buy. First and foremost, we have to check how much is the need at the house. Do we need more or do we need the same amount? We buy as per the need. Otherwise, if we buy more than what we need, there will be a lot of wastage. There will be spoilage and wastage. So we should always, especially food, we should buy as per the need, whatever is needed. Where to buy? Do your research. From where do you want to buy? You want to buy from a mall or you want to buy from a retail store when there is a sale going on, or you want to buy from a friend or a cooperative that you have been buying from a lot of times. So that is how you decide from where you want to buy it from. When to buy? Let me explain here. For example, right now winter is going on. So we can buy winter foods in winter. In summers, there's mango. Can we buy mango in winter? No, we can't because it's a seasonal fruit of summers only. So we buy as per the demand, as per the seasons. We buy jackets, etc. in winter. We buy thin clothes, comfortable clothes in summers. Heaters, AC, etc. are bought on the same time. Every year in malls also or online also, there is festival discounts. It's good to buy in those discounts also because you can save a lot of money. Or you can buy end of season sale as well, at the end of season sale. So that is also a good time to buy different things. Adding to that, Sundays. Monday to Sunday. In Sunday, it's always advisable, we should not go on Sunday evenings for shopping, because at that time the place is very crowded. It's better if we go before, because we will not get full attention for shopping when we are going on Sunday evening, because it is crowded. And we can't even bargain at that time, or we can't even get good quality at that time. So it's good if you go in the weekday. Next is how to buy. You can either pay during using cash, or you can use card or debit card, credit card. First you have to see how much money you have, and then you have to buy. You have to decide on the expensive thing you want to buy, or you want to buy on a cheaper thing, etc. So then you can choose and pay. Adding to the same, we can use card and cash, etc. And sometimes we get some discount from our debit or credit card, like HDFC card, sometimes it gives discount, or cash. You have to be mindful of where you can save the money. Can things get exchanged? Discuss about the warranty of the product. So all these things you must think when you are buying. Important thing, how to use anything that you buy. As you can see in the picture, this is the Maggi noodles packet. Everyone loves to eat Maggi, and the instructions are always there on the back side of the packet. You must always read the instruction, the expiry date, how much is it for, everything. So you have to be very, very mindful, especially of the expiry date. Just buy with the right amount of expiry date. Now that we have discussed different things about consumer education, let's discuss, are there advantages that are there about consumer education? So a person can become aware. Yes, it develops the ability to decide and choose intelligently. Once the consumer is educated, they can demand safe, reliable, good quality products at a reasonable price. We will be more aware about all this once we have consumer education. Be alert. Sometimes there are corrupt practices that are happening. So be vigilant and be informed. It's better to be honest rather than going for any corrupt practices that are happening in the market. Respect the quality and quantity of the product. Take suitable action when in problem. Sometimes the bill also is fraud. So always take suitable action, when you face a fraud. For example, you buy a bag of chips, it's written 20 rupees, but on the bill it's 25 rupees. So you can always ask, why is this happening? So always take action when you face any problem. Thank you.